What's happening, you guys? And welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. All throughout the month of October, we are highlighting Chemistry Month. But throughout the month of October, we got to get ready for Halloween, getting you guys in the spooky season. Now, typically ghosts, ghouls, and goblins, they make you run. But today, we're going to make them dance. I'm joined by James. And what do we got in front of us today?
So Marquise, what we've got today is some simple things that you may or may not have around the house. But we're going to do a little bit of a spooky science experiment today using tissue paper. Even though it is Chemistry Month, this is more of a science experiment involving static electricity, maybe the force of friction, right? So we want to keep that in mind when we're doing our science experiment here today.
So we're going to make them dance. Stand up on the table, come to life, and I'm really excited to see it happen. So
Absolutely.
What's step number one?
Absolutely. So step number one would be getting yourself some tissue paper, right? Maybe a marker, drawing yourself whatever kind of character you like. If it's a ghost, a pumpkin, whatever. Maybe it could be a reflection of how we're feeling inside today. Mine's a little happy. Yours looks sad, Marquise.
A little sad, but like some of us are just a little bit more artistic than others. I can just capture a wide array of emotions.
Oh, sure thing, sure thing. So yeah, you just get a sketch going there, grab your scissors, cut it out, get you some tape. We'll go ahead and tape our guys down. Now, we did make these beforehand. We did cut these out beforehand. It took us a little bit of time. So I'm going to get you a strip of tape here, Marquise, because sharing is caring, right?
Thank you very much. There we go.
There you go. Just want to tape them down at the bottom and have them facing towards this way.
Okay. There we go. Super easy.
Okay. Next step is we'll get a balloon. I brought up purple or orange. Any preference here, Marquise?
I think this one matches your shirt, so I'll let you have it.
There we go, yeah. Now we're going to take our balloon. You can kind of use the force of friction here to create static electricity by rubbing it against something maybe fuzzy. Now I found shirts can work, but I like to use my hair the most.
Let me use it while I still have it.
All right, and once we feel like maybe we've got a good charge going here, we're going to do this in 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Ooh, they are coming to life.
Now what's happening here is all those electrons have built up on the surface of our balloon, and they're going to pull and kind of tug our tissue paper, make it stand up and come to life.
Well, that is the power of static electricity. And all throughout the month of October, we are highlighting Chemistry Month here at the Orlando Science Center, dancing a little bit too, right?
Absolutely.
So I hope to see you guys here. It's so much to learn, so much to unpack, so many experiments to dive into, and I hope to see you guys all here rather soon.